A very good evening, ladies and gents. The next stop on the service is Turnham Green. Can change here for the London Underground. If I've got any passengers travelling up to Walton Junction via Acton Central, change at the next stop and catch the bus in front. That will take all stops up towards Walton Junction via Acton Central. Remember, ladies and gents, check your seat before leaving the bus. A lot of passengers leaving lost property on the service, so please check before leaving the service. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Andre.